Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of the 100 Days Challenge of me trying to speak in front of the camera so that I'll be less nervous and not zone out while making the videos and speak what I have to speak. These videos are not at all scripted, okay? So I do not know what I have to speak. That's why I zone out the most. And so today it's 3rd May 2026, and today it's Sunday, so I don't have anything to do today. I don't have to go to any tuitions, and it's a slow morning today, and yeah, the weather's really good. It's actually uh, 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 sunny, but it's cold, so it's really nice. And I want you guys to do subscribe and like me, because if you guys do cheer me up by leaving comments and liking my videos, I would really be more consistent and be motivated for making these videos. Well, yeah, let's meet up tomorrow. Your unpaid meta intern.